ما شاء الله تبارك الله، في طريق الهدى النازل عند وادي محرم. بردية تاريخية خارج الأرض.
In this video we will inform about the storm disaster in Al-Baha, Saudi Arabia. Al-Baha harajan's weather was unusually affected on the morning of Monday, April 10th by the very strong thunderstorm Camillus, which was accompanied by unusually heavy hail. Hundreds of cars experienced severe traffic jams due to the flooding that followed the hail. Video footage shows the heavy accumulation of hail, which led to the complete closure of a number of roads and the detention of several vehicles. While bulldozers are now working to reopen roads and move stock of vehicles. Likewise, the emergency team was also deployed in the Al-Baha municipality area to prepare and return it to normal as before. The headquarters added that the rains were accompanied by active winds, which brought dust and hail that led to the flow of tolerance in parts of Al-Baha, Mukarram and Medina Tabu, Al-Jarf Jazan in Asia. There is also a chance of a thunderstorm with an active wing still occurring in the array of Al-Qasim, Riyadh in the southern part of the East region.